Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a special surprise. Turtle. Well, his name is called Zippy. Okay, it's not this cute guy. Well, he's cute, but it's not him. It's all about this dude. So we got another Godzilla. Godzilla GMK 2001. Let's take a look at this guy. Here's the front of the box, and we got his gorgeous face. That is literally just pure white eyes. And he's also mad. He's like, why did you eat my cookie? And here's the front of the box. Side of the box. The other side of the box. Back of the box, we got the paper. And then we look at the bottom, and we got this is the Godzilla thing. Here. Yes. So, yeah, guys. I think we should open it now. So, time to get my scissors. And also, guys, I wanted to show you something. I also got this cool coin. It's cool, right? So, yeah. Just wanted to show you that. Sorry, guys. So, I'm just going to open it now. So, now, I got to find a way. So, now, we're going to open this. Okay, guys, we opened it. We got the poster out, so let's look at the poster. So here we got the front of the poster. We got the regular Bandai 1954 Godzilla. And we got this Godzilla GMK. We got the cool again. This nice artwork here again. So now it's time to open the beast himself. Godzilla or Godzilla. Whatever you want to call it. Yes! Godzilla is finally here. And get this out of here. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, we got the big boy himself. Oh, come on. I forgot about this. So we're gonna have to clip him open. At least we got the tail out, yay! So here you go, put that over there. So now we got the sweet Godzilla. So now we have finally got our Godzilla we have wanted. So we just have to adjust him. And also get rid of our scissors because we can't just throw that. And also let's put on the tail if we can. And let's see. Okay, we finally got the tail on. But yeah, guys, so just say I like this figure. It's more better quality than this guy, because look at him. Look at this. That does not look like Shin Godzilla at all. But still, it's okay. But still, this figure looks like it's from SH Monster Arts. Like, literally. This Neca GMK Godzilla is actually a pretty good figure. I like it. So let's go for the figure. So the first thing is it has good articulation. So let's go over it. We got jaw opening, head turning all the way, neck turning, even a little massage. And we actually got wrist turning. He was like yo yo yo. He's like yo yo yo. And we got this. This part doesn't move. We got this part goes all the way around. And we got these little joints. And we also got the arm joint. And we got this other joint. I like this figure. It's more better quality. And we also got this. Oh, wow. You can turn all the way. And spikes are actually pretty easy to move around. This guy's spikes are kind of hard to move around. But yeah, who cares? Here we got the tail. It's actually got more articulation. A lot of articulation. It's got a good pose. And a lot of head turning. But yeah, let's go over the feet. We got his chubby feet. So freaking chubby. And also his nails are very sharp. And they look better. And he also got his other foot. It can turn. And get that going off. And his other foot can turn around too. He has this joint here. Another joint here. A leg joint. Another joint. So yeah. Those are the joints of this guy. So let's go over the details. He got some white eyes. Can even see your eyes. Is he old? He's like, hello, I can't even see. I need my glasses. Yeah. He's like, who stole all the cookies? Okay, let's just compare them all. Here we got the GMK, and then Neca 2014, the Neca Shin Godzilla. Wow, I have a lot of Neca figures. And then we got the Bandai Godzilla. So to just say let's go over my favorites. So the first one I like is this GMK. More details. My second favorite would have to be the Neca 2014, and then my last favorite, and then my first favorite just had to be in there. My last favorite is this guy, because it doesn't really look like Shin Godzilla. It just looks weird. I don't like it, really. But I like the tail, though. It's pretty long. So, yeah. But still, I really like this figure. It looks like SH Monster Arts. And also, you can maybe make a comic, you know. It's like, one day he's walking down the street, like, have a nice day in the park. He's like, hello, got GMK, hello. You stole my cookies, bro. I'm mad. I don't know it was your cookie. They start to fight. You will not touch me! What up? Yo, dude, you ready? What was that? Get out of here, boy! Give me your tail. I'm gonna turn you into cookies then, alright? I'll turn you into cookies, but you kind of do look like cookies. Hey, buddy, don't steal my cookies this time or I'll scratch you. That was actually kind of lame. Come back here, man. He's like, okay. And then this guy can do a lot of poses. He can go like, ooh. He's like, ooh. Look at me. He's like, rah. He's like, rah. He's like scaring you. Rah. Yeah. He's mad. I feel like a 3-year-old playing with a Godzilla toy. But, wow! Let's just do all these poses what we can get. This guy, let's see what he can do. Oh no, his hand broke off. Let's try something. This guy's tiny arms, so it'll be hard to adjust them. It's like I'm adjusting chicken fingers. It's gonna be hard. Which one do you think is the best? I think it's a GMK and then the Shin. This looks okay, guys, so you just had some fun, and also, dude, he needs to go to the dentist. His teeth is yellow as heck. So yeah, guys, I hope you had a good day watching this video. So bye, guys. And he needs to go to the dentist. Ah! He's gonna come in your sleep. He's going, ah! So bye, guys. And also, I have a gaming channel. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you want to help that channel. All right? Or I'm gonna steal all your cookies. All right? I'm gonna steal all your cookies. Next day, you're gonna come in your kitchen, say, "Where's all your cookies?" Okay, I'll steal all your cookies. But bye, guys. Subscribe and like to my channel too. You don't want to get scared.